Hi, and welcome to the Zeros Ones website. My name is John Janis, and I'm the owner of Zeros Ones. We service and repair all Microsoft Windows-based computers. Whether you're an individual or a business located in Downers Grove, you can have confidence in choosing Zeros Ones, that we will deliver fast, dependable service at a reasonable price. And mention this video and receive an additional 10% off. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to speaking with you.